Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Lindsay and this is my sewing vlog, This One Stitches. I am back today with another 24-hour make. Unintentional, but that's just how it goes at this point. So tomorrow I have the Lady of Lakes Run Fair, and it is one of my favorite fairs. If you've watched any of my videos before, you might have seen my trunk hose sewing vlog, and that was for this same fair. This fair has become a lot more popular over the last couple years, which I love because it supports Lake County schools, and right now we should be supporting our schools and each other as much as possible. I have things that I can wear, but I don't have anything great or that I feel excited to wear. Before the downfall of Joanne, I had it in my head to make a medieval revival dress. And I specifically wanted to make one that had the color splits down the middle, and one that always pops up is this blue and red with gold trim dress. So before Joanne closed down fully, my last purchase there was blue and red fabric. And so this weekend is the weekend we're gonna pull that out and we're gonna try to make something with it. If you don't know, it is just a really short 60s dress, the color splits and the trim. It's super fun and playful. I went ahead and purchased a pattern off of Etsy. I didn't have anything in my stash that I really wanted to use, but this pattern I was very excited to find because it is only 2 pieces, and I could either have the really flowy sleeves or it has a version that has like elastic at the upper arm to give it a little more medieval peasant blouse kind of look. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out and let's get started on making this dress.